Welcome back to my channel Educational Hub 0.4. This is Sumit and we are going to do an experiment on liquid density. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. To perform this experiment, we need materials like 3 clear glasses, 3 eggs, 4 spoons of sugar, 4 spoons of salt and 2 spoons. And I have taken the normal water. Let's fill half glass of water in each. Till now I have not added any solute in the water. Now I will put each egg into the glass. It's also a best way to check whether the egg is good or not. As you can see, the first egg totally sink into the water, and the second also, and the third also. As you can see, each egg sink into the water. This means density of egg is more than a normal water. Now we will take out each egg from the glass. Now let's mix solute into the solvent. We have 4 spoons of salt. Now stir it well so that solute dissolve into the solvent very easily. Now here we have 4 spoons of sugar. Mix it and stir it well. Now I will put 1 egg into the salt solution. Let's see whether egg will float or sink. As you can see, an egg is floating in the salt solution. In this case, salt solution become more dense than the liquid inside an egg. The same thing I will repeat with the normal water and let's see what happen. You can see in normal water egg totally sink. In this case, liquid inside an egg is more dense than a normal water. That's why egg sink into the water. Let's try with sugar solution. In sugar solution also you can see egg totally sink. This means liquid inside an egg is denser than a sugar solution. Salt water is denser than fresh water because of its salt content. It is also called salinity. The higher the salinity, the higher the density will be. Same concept we can see in the Dead Sea also. In the Dead Sea, salinity is higher than any other seas. That's why objects do not sink inside it. See, people are easily floating on the water of Dead Sea. This means the egg will float in the salt water because when salt is added to water, its density becomes greater than that of the egg. That makes the egg float. If you are new to this channel, then like, share and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.